I built the Franken chat, which is here on the left, which when you send a message, uses all the reasoning models, Gemini 2.0-O1, DeepSeek, and QWQ, and finally gets the final answer distilled by O1. For example, we can just go ahead and say hi. Let me go all the way down. As you can see, we get parallel responses from Flash, the latest Flash thinking, DeepSeek, and then we print the individual model responses, and then O1 actually synthesizes the final response. These are also saved at the end here. Actually, let's delete this file because we're going to recreate it. We can just say again, hi. And also on the right, I have the multi-chat. For example, you can choose to chat with any one of those models. Let's select Gemini and say hi. And then Flash Thinking will respond. Then we can say dash dash change. And we can change the DeepSeek, and the message history is carried over between these reactions. These are open source, by the way. You can download this. The link will be below in the description and in the comment. I call it the Franken thought. Both files are here. You can actually download it and use it. And also at my Patreon, I explain how I built this at my 1000x cursor course. I highly recommend it. I have 39 independent chapters building full apps and ideas. It's really useful. Take a look at that. Now, coming back to FrankenChat, here, for example, on the right side, I can say my name is Echo. Now I am speaking with DeepSeek. And on the left, we again got responses. We can take a look. All four models responded, and we get a final response. Then on the right, I can type in switch. Oh, I'm sorry, I think I have to say change. And then I can change to, for example, O1. And what is my name? And the message history should carry over. You mentioned that your name is Echo, but this time we're talking with OpenAI. So you can switch in the middle of the chat between models. I can also type in dash dash clear, and it should clear the message history. See, here on the left, let's try something interesting. Let's ask you a really complex multiplication. Let's change the first number to 9, and then question mark. So this is going to take a while. While this is ongoing, let's bring up the calculator and let's calculate this. Let's first grab the first number. Let's clear all this. Paste it times the second number, copy, and paste it, equals. Okay, so it's going to equal to this number. Let's grab this number from here. And so we can use it to compare. Here, let's paste it here like this. And we will be waiting for the answers. This is going to take a moment. I mean, obviously, they're each going to take probably a few minutes to try to solve it. And the responses will be printed. We also save them to chat responses. Then we're going to send all of the responses to O1 to actually combine them. This is the synthesis prompt. As a synthesizer, analyze these AI responses and create comprehensive, accurate responses. We pass all the responses like this. We also pass an O1 response into here. We don't give it names, so as to not include any bias. And then we ask it to create a well-structured response that combines all the unique insights, resolves any contradiction, provides the most accurate, helpful information. Yeah, let's see what happens. By the way, while we are waiting, I would like to show you my website where you can find all my videos, echohive.live. And if there's any code associated with it, you can find the code download links by clicking. It'll take you to my Patreon. I have over 400 plus videos and projects which you can download the code files for. And when you sign up for my Patreon, you also get access to my 1000x cursor course, which has over 39 chapters, over 23 hours of content. And at my Patreon, there are also tiers where I offer consulting. If you want to speak with me one-on-one, check those out as well. Okay, we are getting some responses. Which one was this? Model 4. Okay, we're not explicitly printing the response, but we will be saving it here in the timestamp so we can actually compare if any one of these got it right. Maybe we can come back here and write the model responses. Okay, so this will be Q1Q, this will be DeepSeek. We'll write them down and then the O1 synthesis will go at the bottom. I think we got our answer. Okay, this is the confirmed final answer. So it says, okay, I brought that to the top. So this is the confirmed final answer. And as you can see, it is exactly correct. So let's take a look at the individual answers that these models gave. I mean, I'm pretty surprised. This is quite a lot of numbers, but it got it right. We can see this is the Gemini response, although it doesn't look right to me, but let's put it here. Okay. Yeah, it went wrong right here. Let's draw it. So it made a mistake at that digit. Quen says, I'm sorry, but I can't perform that. So that's a no for Quen. O1, DeepSeek. I don't know. DeepSeek, where is the DeepSeek didn't return an exact answer. It seems it returned. It seems it returned. Oh, here is the answer. It just returned it in a weird way. I'll have to remove those slashes. Okay, but here is the answer. And if you put it right here, actually DeepSeek got it right perfectly. Flash didn't, and QWQ refused to answer. And O1, here is the O1's answer. Individually, this is the first answer it gave. Okay, let's compare, and O1 also gave the perfect answer. So synthesized answer was correct. O1 gave the right answer. DeepSeek gave the right answer. So this is how it works. Like I said, this is open source. So you you can download it and play around with it. Link will be in the description and comment. Thank you.